Yo YouTube, just a super quick tutorial today to show you a brand new working method on how to get free Amazon gift card codes. I've managed to find a super simple rewards website that's going to allow you to get a free Amazon gift card, and it takes just a few minutes. This is by far the easiest method that I found, and when I say I've been searching for hours, I truly mean that. I've been searching Google and YouTube all morning to try and find a working method on how to get a free Amazon gift card code, and this method I'm going to show you in this tutorial is the easiest and simplest that I discovered. So you need to basically head on over to this rewards website that I found. You need to use your mobile phone for this. It doesn't matter which phone you have, and you've got to go to wavyrewards.com. So Wavy Rewards, as you can see, type it like this, and this is a rewards website. They allow you to get rewards for just completing a couple of easy tasks, and these rewards can be tons of things, like not only Amazon gift cards, you can get lots of other things as well, and I'll show you that in a few seconds. So there is a step-by-step guide on this website telling you what you need to do to claim and unlock your reward. So you can see it talks you through it here. I'll also talk you through it. So you just need to press on the continue button here, and you're going to see this page that basically says claim your reward, complete 2 of the tasks below to claim your reward, and follow the instructions for each. So you're going to see a list of completely free tasks. You can see they're all free, and you need to complete 2 of them, and once you've done that, you will be rewarded your Amazon gift card. So basically, guys, these can be things like surveys or applications, and when you click on them, it'll tell you what you need to do. So this one says answer questions and fill in valid info, because that's a survey. Alternatively, you may see like mobile games where you need to complete certain levels. Anyway, I'll skip forward. I won't make this video too long, but once you've done that, you will then be redirected to this website here, where you can go ahead and choose your desired reward. So if you completed 2 tasks, you can choose anything on this website, any one thing. So if you scroll down here, you should be able to find the Amazon gift card codes and coupons page. And on this page, you can select anything on here, including the $150 Amazon gift card code. So if you completed the steps previously, this code will be revealed and you can use it. Obviously, I skipped forward, so I didn't actually complete the tasks. But yeah, that is all you need to do, guys. So head on over to Wavy Rewards and just fully complete the steps on this rewards website, and that is going to get you a free Amazon gift card code. I hope you enjoyed the video. Smash the like button if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.